Hi there. So today I'm going to share how you can use a plugin to add the wrapping cost or the assembly cost or whatever the cost you would like to charge for per product. So this time we'll use this plugin. Let's add this plugin on our WordPress website. So search for the product assembly and install this one and let's active. After active the product, go back to WooCommerce, settings and products, settings, products. Then here is the settings for this plugin. So you can enable for every products individually, but you can also add for all products at once. So like you can add for gift wrapper, default cost is 10 or maybe like 20. Multiply cost, that means it will cost double for the multiple products. Like if you add 2 products, it will cost you 2x. Okay, show cost as a global fee. Oh, no, we would like to add other. I would like to enable by default. Let's set changes and go back to our store. Then add some item to the cart. So it has been added to the cart. Let's visit to the cart page. Okay, it's fine. Delivery fee. Let's go to the checkout page. Okay, let's try again. Oh, here is the option. So if I am going to add to cart, it will not add until I have add this option. So let's try at the first. So this is without wrapping. So if I am going to the checkout page, so this is the cost and this is the delivery fee. But if I am going to the shop page again and add the wrapping fee and click to add to cart and then visit the checkout page, I see the gift wrapper. It's $20 BGT. So if I'm going to the checkout page, I'll see it has been added. So it will be charging us $20 for the wrapping fee. So this is how you can add wrapping for each and every product individually. You can draw by multiple time. Like if we're going to add to cart, it will not be add. But if we go to the single product page and check here, then click to add to cart, then add should be added. So here is our total. Let's try to remove this item. Remove this one. So here is the gift wrapper. This has not any gift wrapper option. So both have the gift wrapper option. So this is fine. So you can just place the order and it will charge the 20 BGT for each and every items you have added to the cart. So if you have put it on different currency, it will be charged on different currency. So this is how you can add the wrapping cost or assembly cost to your each and every product individually. So I think this is nice. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a like and thanks for watching the video. See you on the next time.